Teacher 1 of Modesto Tiburon Senior Integrated School, representing the Office of the Public Schools District Supervisor. Our school head, Mrs. Alidal P. Gallego, barangay officials headed by Punong Barangay Honorable Eugene C. Gambong, PTA officials, esteemed teachers, dear parents, fellow classmates, ladies and friends, a pleasant afternoon. Graduation is a reflection of victory, of our hard-earned struggles from yesterday. A victory that is worth celebrating, for this marks the beginning of a new journey that will fulfill the new pages of our lives. As we stand on the threshold of a new chapter in our lives, I want to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude for all that we have done in our elementary journey. It's hard to believe how quickly time has passed. Yet, here we are, ready to embark the next phase of our education. These past years have been filled with unforgettable experiences, laughter, challenges, and growth. We've learned not only from textbooks, but also from each other, forging friendships that will last a lifetime. As we prepare to spread our wings and soar into middle school, let us carry with us the lessons we've learned here. Let us remember the importance of perseverance, kindness, and empathy in everything we do. Let us embrace the unknown with courage and determination, knowing that we have the knowledge and skills to overcome any obstacles that come our way. To our teachers, thank you for your guidance, support, and dedication. You have instilled in us a love of learning and the thirst for knowledge that will continue to drive us forward. To our parents and families, thank you for your unwavering encouragement and belief in our abilities. Your love and support have been the foundation upon which we have built our success. My mom couldn't manage to be here today. Naiintindihan ko po kung nanonood ka man. Ikaw pa na nagsisilbing CCTV ng buhay ko. Maraming salamat po sa patuloy na pagiging matatag. Pagbibigay ng oras maturuan ako sa mga lessons kapag ako'y nahihirapan. Kahit na alam kong napaka-busy mo. Salamat, Ma, sa kanmo pagsakripisyo sa pag-antos ng kamino para mahatag mo yung panginahanglan namin. Kang Mama Lingkoy, Nanay, Ate, and family Sarah, thank you for always being there for me. Naging madali ang lahat dahil po sa inyo. Sang tanan ginikanan na ali doon, luyo ng kalisod, usahin ng Panginoon. Salamatan na huwag ka mo gawain ang paglaong na magpadayan pagpaskwela ng kamayong mga anak. The glory of our graduation is shared with our beloved parents. We are truly blessed because not only our efforts rewarded, but also the selfless sacrifices that our parents have made for us. Sa mga kaiban ko na parehas anak, whose parents are working abroad, they live a lonely life with exchange of for promise of a brighter tomorrow for their children. Thus, these medals and certificates we receive today are a manifestation of fruit of their success. Today is indeed a magnificent day, a day worth for celebration. To my fellow classmates, as we part ways and embark in our separate journeys, let us never forget the bonds we've formed and the memories we've shared. No matter where life takes us, we will always be part of this incredible community. As we say goodbye to elementary school and ahead to the adventures that await us. Let us go forth with confidence, courage, and sense of purpose. The future is bright, and I have no doubt that each and every one of us will go on to achieve great things. Lastly, thank you San Antonio Elementary School, our alma mater, for being the foundation of our success and learning. I offer my heartfelt thanks to you all. In the words of Eleanor Roosevelt, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Today, a part of our dreams has been realized. As we journey forward, we may encounter various challenges, but let us not cease dreaming. Together, let us strive towards our greatest aspirations, aiming to become successful citizens in our chosen fields someday. May we all dream bigger and soar higher. Let us not only reach for the mountaintops, but reach for our own star. I extend my warmest congratulations to everyone. To God be all the highest glory.
I don't know if I